Talking about Nike Dunk Day.
Yes,
Hey, what's
sir.
happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
Hey, what's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get into this video, go and give this video a like. Hey, likes are free, remember? It doesn't cost nothing.
Hey,
Hey, this video we having today talking about Nike Dunk Day. Nike Dunk Day. Are you
yes, sir.
excited? Why's that going on, my brother?
Nike Dunk Day.
Yeah,
Hey, on the 27th.
you're 27.
Hey, they dropping some shoes on the 27th.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Some Nike
yeah,
Dunks. 9 Nike Dunks.
yeah, yeah. Hey, I know what's going on, but I'm gonna just keep it a secret. I know what they're doing. I know exactly what they're doing. Hey, special K, they coming after you, buddy.
Uh-oh.
They
Uh-oh.
coming, they coming after Special K. They coming after him, buddy.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If you don't know, there's 9 dunks, Nike Dunk Low, that appears to be releasing on July 27th, aka Dunk Day on Nike.com. We'll be going over the dunks that are set to release that day, starting off with the Nike Dunk Low Medium Olive. Now keep in mind, this is a women's pair, so this will be women's size and only. These first came out in September 22, but they are restocking on the 27th with a retail price of 110. Right now, resale is going for about 220 for size 10. I think this will be a great profit to flip.
So the next shoe, hey, we got the Nike Dunk Low Next Nature Phantom Gold. Be reminded that these are a women pair of shoes. These did come out in September 2022. Asking price for those are 115. They are coming in under resale value. So please stay away from them.
So next on the list, we have the Nike Dunk Low EMB Chicago. In my opinion, this is the best color way to release in this day, but I also think this may be the hardest to get. Now keep in mind, resale for these pairs are not busting. My size, you can get them on StockX right now for about 165. These do have potential lunch money, but you'll be better off if you do have local sales in your area. Again, this shoe celebrated the NBA's 75th anniversary and was originally released in October 2021. Features that red and white and black Chicago colorway. It is retailing for a price of 110.
The next shoe that's coming out on that same day, which is July the 27th, we do have our Nike SB Dunk Low Be True. Price for those are sitting at 120, reselling for under retail value. But me, being, supportive of what's what with these pair of shoes, I can see these shoes doing very well. These shoes originally released in November 2022.
So moving on to the next Nike Dunk releasing. These are the Midas Gold, aka Arizona State Sun Devils. These are again reselling for under retail in most sizes. We recommend to stay away from these as well. These are for personals. Go ahead and cop those. This is a good price point of $100 even. That features the shoe features that Arizona Sun Devil in that maroon and gold. So go ahead and cop these if you're from Arizona.
So the next shoe we have coming out is that Dunk Low Premium Vast Gray. Price for those are going at 110. These shoes originally came out 2022. Resale about 185 for sizes 10 and 10 and a half and above is going for $200. So these will be a good flip for those sneakerhead bros that's looking to make a quick flip with the resale value looking very promising.
Yeah, I also think this is a good neutral color to rock with.
Mm.
You can wear these with lots of outfits. So I do recommend if you do like this colorway, go ahead and snatch it up. Think ahead. So moving on to the next Nike Dunk Low Graffiti Pink. Again, resale value on these pairs are going for nearly retail on most sizes. Recommend if you're looking for these to resell to stay away from these. This does feature that mixture of pink, green, and purple graffiti-like design. Solid black hits on the stock liner. The swoosh makes it contrast in a vibrant color. Again, the retail price going for these is 110. You want these for personal, go ahead and cop them. If not, then let them go. Let me know what you
Yep.
think in the comments, Sneakerhead.
Dunk Low needlework. These are women's shoes, right? Originally, these came out in April 2023. Asking price for those is sitting at 120. Right now, the resale for a size 8 women's is going for about 150. Stay away from these unless you have local buyers.
So the last pair, we do have a women's release, the Nike Dunk Low Twist, aka Panda. This is a black and white pair, set to release on July 27th. The retail price of 120. I do like this pair. It does kind of remind me of the Ant ambush effect with that swoosh that's elongated and sticks out on the side. Resale value is looking decent at the moment, but not many pairs on the market. I know the size 8 in women's is selling for about $180. That's lunch money. They're retailing for $120. But with larger sizes 10 and above, they're actually going for over $200 a piece. So only time will tell if these shoes will remain profitable. But again, if you want these pairs, go ahead and snatch them up, sneakerheads. And that concludes all the dunks that are coming out. These shoes are all coming out on July 27th at Nike.com. Make sure you're prepared. I know the bots are going to be out there, so we wish you the best of luck.
Yeah, hey, and if you like content like this, hey, check out this video right here.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
That's others. Peace.